Hello, my name is Chelsea Kuhlman. The purpose of this presentation is to illustrate the benefits of using the Heart Failure Health Storylines application for symptom management in those with congestive heart failure. The Heart Failure Health Storylines application is a free mobile application that is used to help people with congestive heart failure track their daily symptoms, medications, vitals, appointments, and daily moods. It was an application created by the Heart Failure Society of America to aid in the management of those with congestive heart failure. Those who can benefit from this application include patients, doctors, nurses, and their family members. The Heart Failure Health Storylines application is available on the App Store, Google Play, for download from the Heart Failure Society of America's website, and it's available to download for free. The goals of this application are to help people with congestive heart failure gain control of their condition by tracking their medications, appointments, water intake, sodium intake, and symptoms. It allows the patient, doctor, and nurse to trend any acute changes in the person's condition. Heart Failure Health Storylines is a user-friendly application that is broken down into 14 easy-to-use categories. These categories can be removed or changed with a simple click of the pencil that appears in the right-hand corner. When pressed, it gives the option for several other categories a person can track, including tools related to diabetes, asthma, COPD, tips to quit smoking, and many more. Some of the categories that are included on the application include a medication tracker, a daily mood, which is a self-reflection tool that allows the user to document how they are feeling in relation to their condition, a symptom tracker, daily vitals, appointment calendar, a journal, healthy doses, which allows the user to pick from 5 categories such as mindfulness or gratitude or optimism, and an inspirational quote is provided, a physical activity tracker, a low sodium guideline, a treatment reflection, a health perception survey, self-care reflection, and quite possibly one of the most important features of the application is a water tracker feature. The Heart Failure Health Storylines application is user-friendly. All tools are located on one page. You can customize the tools that are featured on the front page to help with specific goals or treatments that pertain to the user. Data are compiled to create charts to analyze trends and symptoms. An example of one of the application's categories is the medication tracker. Medications are easily added by searching for the name and dosage. The user can easily set a reminder for the frequency of intake and when the next dose is due. Medication lists are created featuring frequency, dose, and next dose timing. For example, digoxin was added to the new medication search tool. Several options were provided, and the one that matched the medication and dosing was selected. Next, a reminder is set to notify the user of the next dose that is due. The final example shows a medication list that the user would benefit from while hospitalized or as a reference guide. Personal information is required when creating an account. Personal information is saved within the application. Information that is saved within the account include height, weight, vital signs, medication, personal journal entries, water intake, and symptoms related to congestive heart failure. The visibility can be changed within the application according to the person's preference. They can create it to be private, they can share with family, or they can share it with friends. The advantage of this application is that it is easy to use and allows the patient to keep track of symptoms, medications, daily feelings associated with their conditions, and it allows the patient and provider to come together and track symptoms from data collection that is compiled into charts, and you can download it for free. Disadvantages include that you must be technologically savvy. If the person has a vision impairment, it can reduce the use, and if you do not have a mobile device or a computer available, you won't be able to use the advice. However, the Heart Failure Storyline Health application is highly recommended for use.